No roast dinner is complete without a roast potato.
Hey guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to make perfect roast potatoes. Now, you can make roast potatoes out of any potato. Now, I'm not going to say that some potatoes are better than others. They are, obviously. But you know, you might not be able to get Maris Piper or other types of potatoes. And I can only get this type of potato, but I will guarantee that these roast potatoes will be absolutely perfect. So let's show you how to make roast potatoes with any potato.
Okay guys, take out your potatoes and peel them. Now once we've peeled the potatoes and washed them or rinsed them, depending if there's any dirt on them, we need to cut them into equal sized pieces. That just helps with roasting, that they all roast at the same time. So cut your potatoes into equal sized pieces and then put them in a pan. Okay, when you've cut all your potatoes and they're in the pan, we need to cover them in cold water. Don't use hot water, warm water. Put cold water in the pan and then put the pan on the stove. Turn on the heat to high. We need to boil these potatoes. So bring your potatoes to the boil. Now when they get to the boil, turn the heat down and simmer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up, take them out, drain them in a colander. Just give them a minute, let most of the water come off, and then give them a shake. Fluff them up. We're going to fluff up all the edges on the potatoes. Perfect. Fluffy edges on our potatoes. This will help crisp up when we put it in the oil. Now I'm using baker's shortening, 120 grams. Put it in the oven, let it melt down and heat up. And then spoon in your potatoes. Don't chuck them in, just in case you get splashed. Now if you have goose fat or lard, another good substitute for cooking your roast potatoes, and if you're preparing for vegetarian, you could always use vegetable oil. The thing is with baker's shortening, it's 100% fat. Now butter and margarine is only 80% fat. Put our potatoes in a preheated oven, 190 degrees for 30 minutes. But after about 15 minutes, we want to be taking the potatoes out and giving them a turnover or a basting. We need to make sure these potatoes are crispy all the way around and not just either on the bottom or on the top. So turn them over, put them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Now you could take them out every 5 minutes and turn them, but you know that's a lot of work. After 30 minutes, our potatoes are done. Take out and take out of the oil. We don't want them to sit in the oil. And that's it. Dress them up with some sea salt and fresh thyme and enjoy.
hot. There we go, guys. How to make the perfect roast potatoes out of any potato. There's too many people get hung up or they've got to have Maris Piper or Desiree or whatever. You can make roast potatoes out of any potato. You just have to be a bit careful when cooking them. Here we go. Crispy potatoes. Very light and fluffy on the inside. Absolutely delicious. So next time you're making a roast dinner, guys, don't forget the roast potatoes. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Mm.